So you're going to be able to see this on my hand. So I'm going to put this one on because honestly, once you get this one on, this is going to be here for a week. The front hairline is V-looped. So because it's V-looped, that hair there is going to come out first.
I think it was really good. It was very hands-on. We got all of the products that we needed, and we learned a lot about the adhesives and what tools to use.
So you have to look to see with each piece what it can be cut down to.
My experience was really good because I get to learn from the most experienced person and sharing the class with other experienced people as well. So it was really good learning for me. I learned a lot of new skills and installation as well. So and get to know the products really well. That was the good part of the class. So yeah.
This is how much glue you should put on in each layer.
I would definitely recommend people to learn in this industry because I work in a different salon where I found like these kind of people and I was not able to, give them service. So I highly recommended people to come and get this service and learn more about it. Challenging part was putting on the hair pieces on the scalp. It was very challenging. I never done this before and it's kind of tough, but we did it.
Trust me on this. It is your one thing. If I suggest anything in a haircut with a Hairsystem, you make sure you do this.
Having this service is going to definitely be very good to promote at my salon. I think having this system for them is going to give them confidence and make them feel really great about themselves going through something as hard as that.